Guys, ngicela nibhekeni lento le. Bhekani. Ngisezula kwezinye ihlobo zami. Mangithi, hey. 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 Yini mara yento nena? Oh guys.
Ngithi ngitshela abantu abathwele ukuthi labantu laba enithwele ngabo bayakhala ngale. And mabakhala wena uba rich lapha emhlabeni. Umama wakho uthwele ngaye uyakhala ngale. Ubhuti wakho uthwele ngaye uyakhala. And manje ngibona ukuthwala akusindaba ukuthi wena uphana ngomama wakho. Hayi wena uyathwala ube right, ube nemali. Lento le uthwele ngayo yona yasikhethe ukuthi ithatha bani. So labantu laba bahlezi ngaselwandle bayakhala. Bakhala labantu laba bathwele ngabo. Ukuyabona abantu bathwele emhlabeni bathwele ngabantu. Uthwele ngusisi wakho, usisi wakho uyakhala ngalo. Lo akayazi ukuthi usisi wakho uye ngalo, uyazi ukuthi usisi wakho ushoni kanti akakafi uye ngale. Esilong akhala ngale wena uzoba rich ngabo. So bengithi ngitshela abathwele ukuthi hey nina, wozani kuJesu before avala umnyango. Only 3 minutes left. Only 3 minutes left. Bakhala abantu ngalo.
So now we all know that ukuthwala is very dangerous, especially if you want a lot of money. You'll be killing other people not knowing that you are doing so. So in return of getting a lot of money, you'll be claiming other people's life, feeding those snakes, those unwanted spirits, and that's how it's happening. So you heard that if you do this kind of rituals, your loved ones will be gone and they will be crying, go to the ocean, staying in the ocean, their spirits crying for their life that you have killed them before the time of God. So I hope we all learned from this, and please do not do the rituals to get money quick.